I need to buy a diving computer and I want to buy an underwater camera, but buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets Diveroid, it's possible. Introducing Diveroid, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O-ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the Diveroid app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. Diveroid works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. Diveroid provides 4 camera modes: ultra-wide angle, wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using the red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with Diveroid. All-in-one dive gear, Diveroid.